While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, included as ETH, which is the local digital currency in view of the stage. With decentralized finance, DeFi, turning into all the rage, calculations and science-supported cryptographic forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain world. They include savvy contract usefulness as well as proposition a safe and exceptionally secure arrangement of exchanges and exchanging with the elaborate go-betweens. As a forerunner to additional improvement in productivity, the 2.0 will present a sharding strategy. To diminish the exchange cost and speed up, including sharding with the blend will expand its asset utilization execution amazingly. That will be accomplished by information check among sets of hubs, and each will be answerable for confirming the information it got. This could increment by an large limit. Furthermore, Ethereum 2.0 will start web low-level computing construct in a framework they're calling WASM that would before long supplant EVM, i.e., Ethereum Virtual Machine, permitting a decision from different dialects to compose code to run on the blockchain. The whole cryptographic money market experiences flighty cost unpredictability, going with the speculation choice in altcoins really testing. In any case, according to our estimates and specialized examination, the crypto world will just see a flood in exchanging exercises and venture altcoins. According to the Ethereum cost figures, the cost displayed an uncommon exhibition last year and enlisted an unsurpassed high of $4,891.70 in November 2021. Afterward, ETH digital money confronted colossal negative strain in the midst of a general market auction, and the cost fell beneath $2,500 by January 2022 end. Due to the crypto market decline of May 2022, the costs have seen a precarious fall, and according to cost visualization, the fall might go on for quite a while. Notwithstanding the underlying cost fall, ETH will most likely end this year as a major bull dashing to support its situation in the speculation market. Starting from the start of this current year, ETH has stamped monstrous unpredictability in its value activity and, surprisingly, in the continuous month. Throughout recent weeks, the cost of Ethereum exchanged between the scope of $2,500 and $1,200. Right now, the ETH cost is exchanging around $1,704.16, and in view of the cost history, keeping on growing is normal. In the earlier year, Ethereum's cost brought financial backers monstrous returns before the beginning of the new year. According to long-haul Ethereum cost expectations, ETH is a particularly incredible resource for venture contrasted with Bitcoin and for brokers who can exploit these short and long-haul cost swings. Ethereum Value Expectation 2022. The insight about European speculation bank's $121 million advanced bond with the Ethereum network assisted Ethereum's cost with developing dramatically. As of late, ETH/USD confronted a sharp downfall in the wake of hitting an unequaled high at $4,891.70, yet later, it recaptured the lost force and crossed the $3,000 cost mark. Be that as it may, since May, the whole crypto market has been confronting a negative feeling, prompting a huge drop in cost for every one of the resources. According to the ongoing cost energy, Ethereum could cross $2,374 toward the finish of 2022. Having seen a gigantic deappreciation that drove the value activity of ETH crypto. Likewise, an update called ETH 2.0 is good to go to send off, which is a further expansion of ETH. According to our conjectures, this will push the organization's adaptability to 1,000,000 exchanges each second, moving the blockchain from energy-serious POW to POS. The organization is really well known, with various undertakings based on it. Ethereum Value Expectation toward the finish of September 2022. As per the previous exhibition, Ether's cost is supposed to stretch around $2,000, while the base and normal costs might be $1,900 and $1,950, separately. The Ethereum forecasts propose that the Ethereum consolidation will influence the cost of the token. Ethereum value gauges for October 2022. In view of the specialized examination, value changes may not be exceptionally high during the year-end. The token might exchange at a typical cost of $2,050 for the long stretch of October, while the base and greatest costs are expected to be $2,000 and $2,100. Ethereum value expectations for November 2022. Taking a gander at the Ethereum cost forecast outline and specialized investigation, it tends to be guessed that the greatest cost might be around $2,200. Simultaneously, the cost investigation additionally recommends that the base and normal qualities might be $2,100 and $2,150. Ethereum estimate for December 2022. Before the year's over 2022, the token could have arrived at the greatest worth of $2,374. According to our ETH cost expectation for 2022, the normal and least costs might be $2,250 and $2,200, separately. Ethereum Value Forecast 2023. With organizations, coalitions, and local area financing, the market glances back at ETH crypto to perform, arriving at a value level of $2,675, which is very hopeful according to the price tag of view, yet without a doubt possible for the not-so-distant future. Ethereum Value Expectation 2024. With any arrangements and guidelines changes, Ethereum might have its portion of dim days. Assume Ether crypto holds the help level around a drawn-out moving normal of 200 days solidly. All things considered, purchasers will have more than adequate time and security to manufacture the following assault mission on the crucial level at $2,809, making it not plunge yet play in every case. Ethereum Value Expectation 2025. According to the most recent news refreshes, specialized redesigns, and ETH Cost Forecast 2025, we expect numerous organizations and incorporations around 2025. This could support the cost of ETH in the crypto market, and it will be all that speculation as the cost can stretch around $2,987. According to our Ethereum cost expectation for 2025, in the event that the cost faces an inversion, it could exchange around its essential help of $2,542. Ethereum Value Expectation 2026. Continuously 2026, it would have been quite a while since the market slump, and most cryptos would have tracked down a steady spot for themselves. At this point, the cost of ETH could